Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how I made this preset in Lightroom Mobile.
What you do to me, there's nothing left to see. You left me in the dark now, and I'm blended with disease.
If you want to achieve this tone, continue watching this video and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below. So let's start.
You made me rip that all apart now, and there is no remedy. And I'm like, oh, hey, oh, I don't know how far this goes, and oh, hey, whoa, yeah, I don't know where this ship will go. What you do to me, there's nothing left to see. You broke my heart in two. Now I'm stuck looking for you. What you do to me, maybe it's my dignity. You made me rip that whole apart now, and now I'm begging on my knees. What you do to me, there's nothing left to see. You left me in the dark now. Don't come be fake with me. What I do to you, oh baby, what I do to you. And I'm like, oh, yeah, oh, baby, I don't know how far this goes, and whoa, baby, I don't know. I don't know. And now I'm out here in the dark, a bottle in my hands, I'm feeling lost. And it must have been all of this shit that I drank. Yeah, I keep falling on the ground, now I'm a mess. I think it's time to say I'm sorry to my friends. Maybe I'm looking for me, or what I used to be. And I'm like, hey, oh, baby, hey, hey, whoa. Yeah, I don't know how far this goes, and hey, oh, yeah, oh, baby, I don't know where this shit will go. I don't know.